Hello and welcome to the Partnerships Experience Academy. I'm Cody Joy. Join me as we take a closer look at the engaged phase of the partnership lifecycle. We'll be exploring TM+, SEO-optimized sponsored content, and advanced negotiation. Joining me today for this exciting journey is Cassie Ollie from Dotdash Meredith. Cassie, tell us a bit about yourself.
Thank you so much for having me. As Cody said, my name is Cassie Ollie, and I am the Director of Partnerships on the Commerce team here at Dotdash Meredith.
Jumping right in, let's talk about SEO sponsored content. The flat fee here is usually large. Building your SEO equity can be a slow burn, especially for a small brand. It can be hard to get traction for key terms that are oversaturated in the market. A loophole is using an affiliate's equity that's already established with search engines to rank for those terms. Now that we know how to use affiliates for organic search, let's talk about paid search. Cassie, what's a TM Plus program and why is it something I should consider for my brand?
TM Plus is a conversion optimization strategy. Trademark Plus refers to a brand's name plus a coupon term. Their trademark plus coupon. When a brand is not working with a Trademark Plus partner, that coupon traffic is being directed toward SEO sites on the Google search landscape. That top spot on the Google search landscape is highly coveted because we know that about 40% of coupon traffic is going to click on that top spot.
Now that we've covered a few more partnership strategies, let's talk about advanced negotiation. In the associate level media buying course, you learn the basics of negotiating placements with your partners. There are two more tactics as add-ons I would like to walk you through today. The first is agreed upon metrics. Along with the agreed upon metrics, the second piece I want to take you through is make goods. If you have agreed upon performance metrics and they're not met, you can get make goods for the lack of performance. This is something you'll want to include in your contract up front as well, if possible. What this looks like in practice is if your performance metrics are not met, the partner will continue to give you dedicated coverage until those numbers are met at no extra cost to you, outside of commission. As a side note, even if make goods or agreed upon metrics are not included in your insertion orders or contracts, you can always still ask for make goods if performance isn't up to your expectations. It's never guaranteed if it's not included in your contract, but a lot of affiliates will grant make goods in good faith of partnerships if performance isn't as expected. The second negotiation tactic is long tail media buying. This can be negotiating larger term media packages. This can be quarterly or even yearly. So buying your placements in bulk upfront at the beginning of the year. Thank you so much for joining us here at PXA.